Recon, man, back for another repair video. Got a Hyundai Palisades with the white interior. You can see how dirty it still is. So I'm gonna clean it up real good. You see the dirt there. Clean it up real good. Get it dyed up. There's color missing through there. Starting here all the way down. It's a high wear area. People getting in and out. A little bit of wear down here too. So let's get her cleaned up and dyed. Back in a minute. I'm working on the color match right now. You can see I've got some different little test spots up here. My last one is right there. You guys can see it or not. I can vaguely see it. These two over here are the exact same. I think we're going to try that. I think coming out of the spray gun it's going to look a little better. I think it'll match good. If not, I'll have to adjust it. Back in a minute with the finished product. Back with the finished product. Good coverage there. All the yellowish stains are gone. Color match is really good. That wraps this one up. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.